Have you ever wondered if ancient civilizations possessed technologies that were lost to time? Imagine tools and techniques so advanced they could rival or even surpass what we have today. Welcome to SAM Official Tech. Today, we're uncovering the hidden technologies of ancient societies, each one a glimpse into secrets that could rewrite history as we know it. Found in Iraq, the Baghdad battery is a mysterious jar believed by some to be an ancient battery, possibly used for electroplating. This segment delves into theories suggesting that ancient peoples may have harnessed chemical reactions for energy, exploring the practical uses they might have had and how this invention was far ahead of its time. Roman engineers created a concrete that has withstood the test of time, lasting longer than most modern structures. This section examines why Roman concrete, particularly its volcanic ash component, has been so durable and what we've learned from recent studies that aim to recreate this lost formula. The Archimedes screw was a revolutionary tool used to lift water, attributed to the Greek inventor Archimedes. This segment will explore its engineering principles, its applications for agriculture and irrigation, and how this ancient invention influenced modern machinery and water management systems. Damascus steel was known for its strength and distinctive wavy pattern, used in sword making for centuries. Here, we'll look into the complex metallurgy behind this material, the mystery of its production methods, and why blacksmiths today struggle to replicate its quality with modern techniques. The South American Nazca lines, astronomical engineering or spiritual pathways. The Nazca lines in Peru are enormous geoglyphs that depict various animals and shapes. This point discusses theories about how these shapes were created with remarkable accuracy and the purpose behind them, whether for astronomical tracking, ceremonial practices, or something yet unknown. Recovered from an ancient shipwreck, the Antikythera mechanism is considered the first known analog computer. This segment dives into its purpose as a tool for astronomical calculations and why its intricate gearwork is believed to have been centuries ahead of similar mechanical technology in Europe. Standing in Delhi, India, this 1,600-year-old iron pillar remains rust-free to this day. This section explores the unique metallurgy behind its construction, theories on why it hasn't corroded, and how modern scientists study it to understand ancient metallurgical processes that could benefit us today. Egyptian surgical instruments. Advanced medical knowledge in ancient times. Ancient Egyptian artifacts suggest they had detailed knowledge of surgical practices and instruments, many of which resemble tools still used today. We'll explore what this reveals about Egyptian medical advancements, including their understanding of hygiene, anatomy, and wound treatment. The Phoenician alphabet. Revolutionary communication technology. The Phoenician alphabet was one of the first systems of writing that used letters representing sounds, making writing simpler and more accessible. This point explains how this technology revolutionized communication, facilitating record keeping, trade, and diplomacy across ancient civilizations. The Incan quipu, a knotted code system for communication and record keeping. The Inca developed the quipu, a system of knotted strings used to convey information without writing. This section investigates how the quipu worked, including its potential use in accounting, storytelling, and as a memory aid, representing an intricate, non-verbal method of record-keeping unique to the Inca. Roman aqueducts were an engineering feat that supplied cities with fresh water, sometimes across hundreds of miles. Here, we explore the Romans' expertise in hydraulics, including their use of precise gradients and materials to ensure a constant flow, and how aqueduct technology influenced modern plumbing. The Chinese south-pointing chariot was an early form of navigation that pointed south regardless of the direction of the chariot. This point covers the ingenuity behind this non-magnetic compass, which used differential gears to align with the desired direction, showcasing early advancements in mechanical engineering. The Mayan civilization developed a calendar system so accurate it astonished modern astronomers. The DML heavy-duty telehandler is designed for lifting extremely heavy loads in rough and demanding environments. Power asterisk. With an impressive lifting capacity of up to 45 tons, the DML telehandler is ideal for industrial settings where heavy materials need to be lifted and transported across difficult terrains. Versatility asterisk. It comes equipped with various attachments that allow it to lift, carry, and even manipulate loads such as containers, vehicles, and large machinery. Applications asterisk. It's primarily used in construction, warehouses, and heavy industry sites for material handling and transport. The Goliath crane is one of the most powerful cranes used for heavy lifting at ports and construction sites. Capacity asterisk. Capable of lifting up to 1,000 tons, this crane is used to load and unload enormous cargo, such as large shipping containers, equipment, and materials. Design asterisk. The Goliath crane is equipped with a massive arm and a system of winches to handle extremely heavy and bulky loads. Applications asterisk. It's used in large shipping ports, dockyards, and heavy-duty construction sites where quick and efficient lifting of heavy goods is required. The XCMG-XE8000 is a massive hydraulic excavator designed for large-scale mining and construction projects. Bucket capacity asterisk. Its 16.3 cubic meter bucket capacity makes it one of the largest in its class, capable of moving enormous quantities of material in a short amount of time. Efficiency asterisk. Powered by advanced technology, it operates efficiently, reducing fuel consumption and increasing productivity in mining and construction. Applications asterisk. This excavator is mainly used in open-pit mining operations and large-scale earthworks. The giant mammoth dragline is the largest dragline in the world, known for its incredible capacity to move earth. Lifting power asterisk. The mammoth can lift massive amounts of earth, with a bucket size of 150 cubic meters. Size and reach asterisk. This machine has a boom length of up to 250 meters, enabling it to excavate vast amounts of earth with precision. Applications asterisk. Primarily used in mining, particularly for removing overburden to access valuable minerals buried beneath the surface. This section examines how they tracked celestial bodies and seasons, considering the complex mathematical calculations they used to manage agriculture, festivals, and predictions of celestial events. Greek fire was an incendiary weapon used by the Byzantine Empire that could continue burning even on water. This section discusses the theories surrounding its composition, how it was used in naval warfare, and why its formula remains a mystery, making it one of the ancient world's most formidable inventions. Long before modern rubber was invented, Mesoamerican civilizations developed their own techniques for creating rubber, using latex from rubber trees. This section delves into their advanced knowledge of material science, which allowed them to create rubber balls for sports and waterproof items. Artifacts from the Olmec civilization in Mesoamerica suggest they may have understood magnetism before most other cultures. This segment explores evidence of magnetic stones that could have served as compasses, illustrating early geomagnetic navigation or spiritual practices. Vikings used a sunstone crystal to navigate during cloudy or foggy days, allowing them to find the direction of the sun. This point examines the possible optical properties of these stones, which helped them in their voyages, and how this unique tool enabled their legendary seafaring skills. Thank you for joining us as we delved into the fascinating world of ancient technologies. It's amazing to think how these inventions, from ancient compasses to forgotten weaponry, reflect the creativity and skill of early civilizations. If you found these mysteries intriguing, please like, share, and subscribe to Sam Official Tech. Let us know in the comments which ancient invention fascinated you the most. Stay tuned for more explorations into the wonders of history.